friends, today I am back with a new video. In this video I will tell you how you can convert numbers into Punjabi words. I hope it will help you and my other friends too. So let's begin. Here I am typing a 3-digit number, for example 345. Here I will write the formula, that is equal to 2 words PUN and in bracket the cell address, that is E4. Now I will click enter. See, the number has been converted into Punjabi words. It's so easy, just you have to write the formula and your number will be converted. Let's try other number. For example, here I have taken a 5-digit number. See, it has also converted. It can convert numbers till 999 million into Punjabi words. This software is made by me. Let's take more numbers. See, it has converted 8-digit number too. You can take this file from me by emailing on the email ID, that is amithagoyal108@gmail.com. You can take this file by emailing me on this email ID. I will give you the file, and when you will get the file, you just have to click on the office button. Then you have to click on the Excel options, add-ins. Now go. Now here you have to click the browse button. Now wherever you have kept the file, you just have to take from here and you have to click this open button. Then the file will be opened in your laptop. Then you can write the numbers and the formula, and your numbers will be converted into Punjabi words. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. I will be back with more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.